Before Hollywood knew his name, Rob Schneider was just a kid from San Francisco chasing laughs. Born in 1963, Rob started performing stand-up comedy while still in high school. His sharp humor quickly got attention, and in the late 1980s, it landed him a life-changing spot on Saturday Night Live. On SNL, Rob became famous for characters like the Richmeister and his unforgettable catchphrase moments. But he didn't stop there. Rob transitioned into movies and became a comedy icon with films like Deuce Bigalow, Male Gigolo, The Hot Chick, and Grown Ups, often teaming up with longtime friend Adam Sandler. Beyond acting, Rob is also a writer, director, and proud family man, proving you don't need to be serious to succeed. From stand-up stages to Hollywood fame, this is Rob Schneider. Thank you.